welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, mag-tutorial video muna tayo ha. Okay, so let's have a review about multiplying fractions. So whether they are similar or dissimilar fractions. So let's have the following items. For item number 1, we have 1/2 times 1/3. So how are we going to find the product of this fraction? First, we're just going to multiply the denominators. So what are the denominators of this fraction? We have 2 and 3. If we're going to multiply 2 and 3, we can get a product of 6. Then, let's find the product of the numerator. So we have 1 times 1 equals 1. Therefore, 1/2 times 1/3 is equal to 1/6. Is it clear? Let's move on to number 2. We have here 2/4 times 1/5. Again, we have 2/4 times 1/5. We're just going to multiply the denominators. So we have 4 times 5 equals 20. And then, we're going to multiply the numerators. 2 times 1 equals 2. So we now have 2/20. But 2/20 can still be reduced to lowest terms. When we say reducing fraction to lowest terms, we need to identify the GCF of the numerator and the denominator. So, the GCF of 2 and 20 is 2. So, we're going to divide 2 and 20 by 2. We have here 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. We now have 1/10. Therefore, 2/4 times 1/5 is equal to 1/10. Is it clear? Next, let's move on to number 3. We have here 1/7 times 3/4. Again, we have 1/7 times 3/4. First, multiply the denominators. 7 times 4. The answer is 28. 28. Next, 1 times 3. The answer is 3. Okay, we have here 3/28. What is the GCF of 3 and 28? Correct. The answer is 1. Therefore, 3/28 is already in its lowest terms. Next, let's move to example number 4. We have here 2/5 times 1/2. 2/5 times 1/2. First, we're going to multiply or get the product of the denominators. So we have 5 times 2 equals 10. Then, we have 2 times 1 equals 2. Can you get the GCF of 2 and 10? So what is the GCF of 2 and 10? Correct. The GCF of 2 and 10 is 2. So we can divide them by 2. We have 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. And then 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So we have here 1/5 or 1/5. Therefore, 2/5 times 1/2 is equal to 1/5. Is it clear? So these are examples on how are we going to multiply fractions. These are the examples of finding the product of two fractions. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. Bye!